Today is Monday, September 9th, and in today's Media Minute, Porter Stansberry and Bill Laggner discuss the big picture in sovereign risk.
Let me ask you a different question. Along the same lines, I continue to believe that the yen, this is my view, of course, alone, I think the yen is perhaps the most vulnerable currency I have ever seen, except for the Icelandic krona in 2006.
Yeah, no, look, we're short the Japanese government bond market because,
Gotcha.
like you, we believe that they're losing control.
But here,
they're,
I have a derivative question about that. I think that there's a in my opinion a dangerous consensus about the JGB market and a dangerous consensus about the yen. Fundamentally, they both have to crack and break. That absolutely has to happen. But I don't like it when the obvious conclusion is also obvious to everyone. That's a little worrisome. But,
no, I know.
Yeah,
Look,
scary.
I think it's a great point.
Yeah.
Look,
but hold on. But I want to ask you a question about the yen, which is if the trade isn't too crowded and if the yen really does break at some point in the next 12 to 18 months, and I mean break, like a massive flight from yen, JGBs going to 4-6%. A 50% devaluation of the yen from here, a real true sovereign panic, which we have not seen in a developed market since Soros broke the pound in 92 maybe. If you see that in the yen, right now, of course, there are three major overnight currencies, right? The yen, the euro, the dollar. Everybody is in one of those three, right? So in the short term, everyone runs out of yen, the dollar rallies, the euro rallies. I got that. But don't you think at some point, if that were really to happen and the institutions, like you said, the professional speculators, were to somehow really get singed in that move, don't you think there's at least a chance that there's an entire global re-rating of what sovereign risk fundamentally means?
To hear the entire conversation between Porter and Bill Laggner, visit www.stansberryradio.com. To sign up for free investment information from Porter and other Stansberry analysts, just click on the link below. For the Stansberry Media Minute, I'm Sarah Wilson.